This video is sponsored by Hansshow. Use code Mixonite to save money on your next purchase. What's up, Mixonites? I am Nathen Mixon, and I'm super excited to share some exciting news with you today. I've partnered up with Hansshow to unveil their latest creation, and I've had the privilege to try it out myself. Get ready to meet the H6 instrument cluster for your Tesla Model 3 and why. Because I don't have both of them. First up, let's talk about this awesome display. The Hansshow X6 screen packs a punch with its impressive 6.86-inch screen size. It's a perfect size and it does not clog up the air vents. So technically you can stay cool while your car is cool, and also you can be hot because you're hot, and that's going nowhere. It has a 2.5D IPS panel that ensures those wide viewing angles and super clear visuals. Even in bright sunlight, this thing shines, even though it is a cloudy day out here in Southern California. Navigating through the screen is as easy as it gets. You can sync it with your car's info system and use a Tesla steering wheel buttons. It's definitely a game changer. Just a simple click and you're into your settings. Change your language, check the time, or see what the temperature is like outside. And when you're done, left click again and you're back to the display. But wait! There's more! The H6 screen also comes with a nifty front camera feature. Hold down the middle button and you'll get a clear view of what's in front of your vehicle. It's like having an extra pair of eyes on the road. This comes in handy if you have one of those low profile Teslas and you don't want to hit the curb. You know exactly how close you need to be. To go back to the main screen, just click left again. Customization is definitely key with this screen. It offers 3 distinct user interfaces, each has its own style. And to switch between them, hold down the right button, scroll through, and pick the one that suits your vibe. Personally, I love the retro blue look. And here's the real kicker, Mixonites. You can access all your vital information right here, from autopilot controls, temperature settings, and even tire pressure. It's all right in your fingertips. You can even be notified when someone is in your blind spot switching lanes. How awesome is that? If you're worried about installation, don't worry about it. It is definitely a breeze. It comes with everything you need to be successful, including video links and also step-by-step directions on how to execute every single task. You won't have to drill anything into your vehicle, and you still get to keep the original parts if you want to bring it back to the OEM status. If anything was tough, it was getting my massive arms through that firewall to mount the camera. Obviously, with these big guns, I've managed to do it, so you can do it too. So there you have it, the Hansshow A6 instrument cluster. A total game changer for your driving experience. Now, if you're itching to personalize your vehicle and also prioritize information you want, head over to Hanssshow's official website. And don't forget to use my code Mixonite to save 20% off your next purchase. They have a plethora of different things to choose from, so make the right decision for you and your vehicle to personalize it to your settings. As always, thanks for hanging out with me, and also don't forget to grab your merch. It is sweater weather. Make sure you take advantage of it, and I may be having sales coming out soon for you too, so keep an eye out for that. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.